Hello everyone, again this is Marta. Today I'm going to give you a tour in a man-made forest we developed 11 years ago. It is located in San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. Native trees are planted in the area of about 10 hectares. Dear friends, trees are very important to our lives. They give us oxygen for free. They provide us shade from the extreme heat of the sun. They protect our watershed for our fresh water. They prevent soil erosions as well as siltations. Trees are habitat of our wild creatures, and they are very important to our ecosystem. Trees are also considered as the natural buffer from the heavy winds. My dear friends, our Mother Nature is calling us to plant more trees for our next generations to experience the real nature and not just only in books. Guys, let's plant more trees. To be updated with my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe everyone. Bye bye and God bless. See you.